Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how I created this third member holder for under $30, which mounts to an engine stand and makes a gear install a lot easier. You could also modify this to mount to a workbench, receiver tube, or other surfaces. Alright, so we're going to get the hardware from True Value here to build that third member holder. I'm thinking we're going to get square stock or something like that, weld it together, and then make little tabs to hold the third member, but we'll see what we come up with. Alright, so I think we're going to use square tubing, which should be able to build a durable frame to hold that third member up. So I got this square tube here and this flat bar, and we're basically going to use this to bolt to the engine stand and use the rest of the square tube to come off of it this way and that way, and use this flat bar to create tabs to hold the differential or the third member, and then maybe create some gussets so that it doesn't bend on the stand. I bought some 5/8 hardware here, but it doesn't fit into the 5/8 hole because the bolt has a shoulder. So this is the third member we're going to use for mocking up the mount. It has bolt holes here that we can use as a template to make the tabs that'll hold this to the third member mount. Okay, so this is what we came up with. We used some angle iron and some square tube, welded it to the square tube. It's going to mount on each side of the third member, and one slotted tab on the front there, and then it will bolt into the engine stand with these two holes. So I hope that was helpful. Once again, here's the finished result showing how we made a third member mount which bolts to an engine stand, allowing us to work on this easily and rotate it as needed to make a gear install a whole lot easier.